Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Pauline Newman. I'd like to share with you my first purchase for 2019. My cousin Carleen came in from the Cayman Islands and she wanted to go shopping. She said, all I want to do is go to Sephora, I need some foundations. I was more than happy to take her there. But on our way to Sephora, she made a right and she said, ooh, let me go in here. And I looked up and I said, oh, I've never been in here. I've only heard Mrs. Q. Hi, Mrs. Q, talk about this place. And I ventured in and I went into Pandora. I've got to say, she forced me to get the stuff. So let's see what I got. I haven't treated myself in a jewelry in a very long time, and so I picked up these boxes. Let's start with this box and these rings. The first ring is, I think it's called the Hearts of Pandora, and this is rose gold, and you can see the hearts. So I picked up one, and I felt like, why not stack? I think I need another. And Leo, hi Leo, Pandora and Boca Raton, I wanted the silver as well, so I picked up the silver. And then I wanted another rose gold, so I picked up another. And here it is. Isn't that pretty? I love, love, love it. And then I saw this. I love big jewelry, chunky jewelry. And then I saw this ring. And I just knew I had to have it. So I think I remember the names. Let me give you the names of these. These are classic hearts of Pandora, the rose gold and the silver. And this is the soft pink enamel, and this is Hearts of Pandora as well. I guess it's a line called Radiant Hearts of Pandora. And in the other box, I saw this beautiful, beautiful necklace and the earrings, and so I picked those up. I won't be able to try the necklace on for you because I don't have my nails. It's going to stop me from doing it. But I just want to show you how gorgeous this is. Just absolutely beautiful. It is absolutely stunning. This is, and you can interchange it. So you have that piece, that middle piece, you'll show the hearts, and then on the other side you can switch it around. Let me do that. So there you have it. You can turn the inside out. The same with the earrings. They're so beautiful. Let me tell you the names. Hopefully I got it right. I think this is called Forever Pandora Signature, which is this one. And the necklace is Spinning Hearts of Pandora, which is this one. I absolutely love my rings. I think they're so dainty and pretty and delicate. And I think I'm going to be frequenting Pandora. Whoops, something's on my nose. I absolutely love my purchases. They're just so pretty. So I just wanted to share that with you. I haven't purchased jewelry for myself in a long time. So I wanted to treat myself this year and be more kind to myself going forward. So thank you so much for watching. I hope your new year is off to a wonderful start. And if anything, be kind to yourself. Believe me, be kind to yourself. Before being kind to anyone else, just be kind to you. You deserve it. Until next time, don't forget to click the subscribe button, the notification bell, and the like button. And until next time, bye-bye.